Hello, Osías. How are you today? Fine? How do you feel? Happy or sad? Today I have a song about feelings. Feelings. Can you see? Feelings. Sentimientos. Happy, angry, scared, or sleepy. Happy, angry, scared, sleepy. Okay, let's see the feelings and the actions. If you are happy, clap your hands. If you are happy, clap your hands. Very good. Let's continue. The next feeling is angry. If you are angry, stamp your feet. Piso bien fuerte. Pisoteo. If you are angry, stamp your feet. Very good. Then, if you're scared, say, "Oh no!" If you are scared, say, "Oh no!" If you're sleepy, take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Osías. Now it's time to practice with the song. The feelings with the song. Acá te dejo la canción para que lo que hiciste recién conmigo lo hagas bailando al ritmo de esta canción hermosa sobre feelings. Happy, angry, scared or sleepy. No te olvides de hacer las acciones cuando aparece cada sentimiento en la canción, ¿ok? Me gustaría ver sus fotos y sus videos bailando, cantando en inglés esta canción sobre feelings y además haciendo las acciones. Chords. Buenos días. See you later. Bye bye.